Will you be prepared for disasters when they happen? 10 essential apocalypse survival tools that will keep you alive, ready, and one step ahead of the game, no matter what happens, are featured in today's video. Whether you're an experienced prepper, a survivalist, or simply a fan of strong outdoor equipment, these tools are designed for harsh conditions, emergency scenarios, and off-grid living. So let's get started, starting with multi-purpose survival kits, tactical gear, and next-generation emergency technology. Introducing the NatureHit Cooler Box with Wheel. A cooler box designed for convenience and mobility. Perfect for all your outdoor activities. This cooler features a trolley wheel designed for easy transport, making it effortless to maneuver across various terrains. With a generous capacity of 28 or 38 liters, it provides ample space for all your essentials. Additionally, the integrated cup holder design keeps your drinks within reach, ensuring you stay refreshed without hassle. This cooler box is an ideal companion for any adventure, combining practicality with innovative features. The Proximo EDC Multitool is designed to meet your daily needs and emergencies. This all-in-one gadget combines 6 essential tools: a flashlight, lighter, stainless steel glass brake tip, whistle, knife blade, and compass, all within a compact pen's design. This multi-tool is perfect for survivalists and preppers, making it a thoughtful gift for men and women alike. It fits easily in your car, backpack, or toolbox, ensuring you're always prepared. With its multiple applications, it can be used for everyday tasks, camping adventures, and emergencies, making it an indispensable companion. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum and stainless steel, this multi-tool is lightweight yet sturdy, ensuring durability for long-term use. Its innovative design fills both practical and emergency needs in one small package, making it a must-have addition to your EDC gear. Introducing the Agear Premium Walking Hiking Stick. A premium walking stick to enhance your outdoor experience. This versatile stick features 3 must-have outdoor tools that set it apart from other options. Its adjustable design allows the handle to form into either a straight or T-handle, accommodating different preferences for comfort. With an overall length of 43.5 inch when set to a straight handle and an outer diameter of 1.1 inch, the hard anodized surface is knurled for longevity and easy handling. Additionally, it comes equipped with an anti-skid base, a magnesium rod, and 5 adjustable sections for custom height. A carrying bag is included for convenience. Investing in this outdoor gear ensures you have the support and tools needed for any adventure, making every penny spent worthwhile. Introducing the Strike Fishing Vest from SJK. A versatile collection of fishing vests designed for comfort and functionality, perfect for any fishing enthusiast. These vests are constructed with multiple pockets and compartments, allowing you to keep all your fishing essentials easily accessible. Featuring a 12-pocket layout, they maximize functionality, ensuring you have everything you need within reach. The lightweight materials provide breathability, keeping you cool during those hot summer days on the water. Additional features include a neoprene collar for added comfort, a mesh body to enhance airflow, and a front hook and loop rod holder for easy access to your fishing rod. The quick-release buckle closure ensures a secure fit, while the center-back net keeper allows for convenient storage. A well-designed cooler can enhance your experience, allowing you to focus on your activities without worrying about perishables. Backpack Cooler is a revolutionary hands-free cooler that combines convenience and functionality in a backpack design. This cooler features a magnetic lid close system, allowing for easy access and one-handed operation, making it ideal for activities like fishing or hiking. With 2.2-inch of thick foam insulation, it retains cold for up to 48 hours, ensuring your items stay fresh during weekend getaways or beach outings. The UV and weather-resistant exterior offers durability against the elements, while the ultra-leak-proof shield keeps content secure and mess-free. With padded straps and secure belts, this cooler stays stable and ready for any adventure. Introducing the Keely Litter Gutter, a convenient mobile trash and recycling solution designed for outdoor enthusiasts. This innovative product makes it easy to connect with nature while keeping trails and campsites litter-free. Constructed from durable fabric with water-resistant polyurethane backing, it features sturdy, leak-resistant seams and a spill-resistant roll top that doubles as a carry handle. The handy loop allows for easy hanging, making it accessible whenever you need it. This solution not only simplifies waste collection, but also encourages a cleaner, healthier environment in just a few simple steps. Built for eco-conscious adventurers, it lets you explore while helping protect nature. Meet the Already Minimalist Wallet. Designed specifically for men, offering a perfect blend of style and functionality. This wallet is constructed with a carbon fiber plate framed in high-quality aluminum alloy, ensuring durability while maintaining an ultra-thin design that's a pleasure to carry. It can securely hold up to 15 credit cards thanks to flexible elastic bands, while a transparent ID badge slot allows for easy access to your essential cards. Includes a sleek aluminum clip for cash, compact, and stylish. Equipped with RFID blocking technology, it protects your cards from skimming devices, ensuring your privacy and security. The stylish mechanical appearance makes it a trendy choice. Enter the Gas One Spider 8000 BTU Portable Butane Stove, a versatile option designed for those on the go. With a heat output of 8,000 BTU, this stove packs powerful performance in a compact design roughly the size of a 32-ounce tumbler foldable design with non-slip legs, dual flame, and air vents for stable, even cooking. The piezoelectric ignition device eliminates the need for lighters or matches, while the heat-resistant knob ensures safe operation. For added safety, the stove is equipped with a push and turn knob to prevent accidental ignition, a built-in cartridge ejection system, and an auto safety shutoff device, making it a dependable choice for any outdoor adventure. Introducing the Bombturn Tactical Vest, a high-performance tactical vest designed for men. This vest features adjustable shoulder straps with a range of 6 to 8 inch in length and a waist adjustment from 27 to 50 inch, ensuring a customizable and secure fit. The quick-release system includes a shoulder cobra buckle for fast transfer and waist tube technology for one-handed lock and release. Its unique CR bund integrates pockets for added protection and convenience. Constructed from 1D high-density nylon, this vest offers exceptional durability and wear resistance. Laser-cut maul system with water-repellent fabric boosts load capacity in this all-weather tactical vest. That's our roundup of 10 must-have Doomsday gadgets, your ultimate survival companions. Let us know in the comments below. And if this video helped you discover new gear, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell because we bring you the best in survival tools, prepper gear, and outdoor tech every single week.